Our dessert for the day: creamy macaroni salad. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook the macaroni for 12 to 15 minutes. When you achieve the right tender of the macaroni, you can now mix all the ingredients. Add the 1 can of fruit cocktail. You can add as many as you like. Next, put the 2 cans of all-purpose cream. Add the 1 can of condensed milk. Put the 1 can of evaporated milk. You can add 1 jar of kaong for more healthy. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Add 1/2 box of grated cheese. It's done and ready to eat. It's better to put first to chiller before eating. Please like, follow, and share for more cooking tutorial.